Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Thermomix TM7 Error Code 377. The error reads, "Temporary problem recognized. Please tap OK and wait until the device recovers itself." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to use their Thermomix TM7. According to our research, the error is a known issue with the TM7 and is expected to be fixed by a software update. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to check if the device has any pending software update. If an update is available, install it and check if this resolves the error. If the error still comes, then you should contact Thermomix customer service. Let them know that you are receiving the error code 377. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.